There's one thing that bothers me. Do you know, ever since in my life, I have not witnessed such scenario in this kingdom before.
Do you know what I feel about it? The prince has gone mad. That's it.
Ezemo said it. But the big question I ask is, who are the king's enemies that are responsible for the prince's madness? Who are his enemies?
That I don't know.
Don't you think they may begin to suspect some of us?
It's true. But I know myself, my hands are clean.
Even the gods will bear me witness that I have never nursed any evil thoughts against the king. Yes, it is obvious that our king is a nice man and has helped to develop our kingdom.
Yes.
I wonder why someone would think such evil against his son. My brother, it baffles me.
I'm surprised.
There is problem. This is serious. This is serious problem. We need to do something.
Oh, the my guy now.
Okay.
We are lucky to have the steps on the way.
Help! Somebody help! Somebody help us! Please help!
The ways of the gods are not the ways of mortals.
Ezemo, what are you saying? Ezemo, what is it? What is it? Lift him up. Lift him up.
Oh no, Ezemo is dead. What do we do? What do we do? Ezemo is dead.
Ezemo.
Hey!
Hey!
Akon.
Robin, my son, what is the problem? You look so worried. Anything the matter?
Why will I be worried? Huh? Tell me, why won't I be worried when I'm about losing the precious jewel of my life?
How do you mean? I don't understand.
Mama, could you believe that Ebuka went and cast spell on the girl I want to marry?
Ebuka?
So that the girl will hate me? Yes.
Ebuka? Who is this girl? Who is this girl that wants to break my son's heart? What's her name?
It's Adadima, the daughter of Ikamuche. Mama, I won't allow Ebuka to take that girl away from me. Between Ebuka and I, one person will die.
It's Ebuka that will die, not you, my son. Not you. And who is Ebuka to take over what belongs to my son? Look at Ebuka. Don't worry. Don't worry, okay? It hasn't gotten to that anyway. Don't worry.
Mama, better go and warn that woman.
I will.
To tell her son to stay away from Adadima. Okay. Or else blood will flow.
Don't worry.
Ahodia! Ahodia!
Where is she?
Obi.
You can dance very well.
You can say that again.
Can you see you are going to dance more than me on our wedding day?
Oh, look at are these not palace guards?
Yes, they are.
Where should they be going to?
Yes, I do. I recognize them. That's Ebuka, the Pamoine Papa, son of Oguejiafo, and of course you know that's Ada.
It's like they are in love with each other.
I think so. They are in love. Well, that's their problem.
What is it that you want us to talk about that we cannot discuss inside?
Ebuka, my son. Yes, ma'am. What they say is, have ears. I don't want them to hear what we are discussing. See, tell me the truth. Nothing but the truth.
What truth, Mama?
What is it that you have with Adadema, the daughter of Ikamuche? What is it that you have with her?
Mama, we are just friends. We only fond of each other. Nothing else.
Please, I am begging you in the name of God. Stop seeing her. I don't want you to see her again. Please, because I don't want trouble.
Mama, what trouble are you talking about? Oh, is it because of Obinna? Come on, Mama. I have told you. Obinna cannot do me anything. He cannot do me anything, Mama. He's only putting up empty threats, Mama. He cannot hurt me.
Ebuka, Mama, you want to kill yourself because of a male woman. One, just a woman.
Mama, those threats were empty threats. If he tries me, I will teach him the lesson of his life.
Ebuka.
Yes, Mama.
I have told you my own.
Mama, not even my own. Yeah. Not my own auntie. Eh? Not my head, not my auntie.
Your Majesty, that was how the Ezemo died. It was so sudden, so tragic and unexpected that we were all stupefied.
May the gods forbid. Hey. Such a thing will never happen again in this town.
Hey. Your Majesty, it was weird that the ways of the gods are not the ways of mortal. I don't understand it.
This is unbelievable. May his soul rest in peace. And I pray that such a thing will never happen again. Oma Mezos.
Your Majesty, lest I forget, we wouldn't have been here today if not that you promised us and assured us of our safety. Because the attitude of the prince yesterday was so irrational. In fact, when we were coming here, the fear was still in us.
Yes, Your Majesty. In fact, I am afraid. Something needs to be done quickly about the condition of your son, Prince Ezenwa, before it gets out of hand.
Yes. Your Majesty, with all due respect, Prince Ezenwa is your only son. He's the heir apparent to your throne. We don't want anything to happen to him. And if nothing is done, you know what the consequences is. You are the custodian of our tradition and customs. You know what it entails. Your Majesty, we are cabinet members. Don't want this kinship to leave your lineage. Please, something has to be done.
Thank you very much. Men in council, you have all spoken well. I have heard you loud and clear. And I want to thank you sincerely from my heart for your opinions and suggestions on this issue. One thing I promise you is that I will go back to bed with everything you have said. I will think about it and then I will get back to you on this issue. Once again, I want to thank you for showing brotherly concern. Thank you.
Oga, don't come.
Obus.
I don't come.
I go.
I collect am.
You collect am, abi?
I give you the money.
Mercy. Aye. Hold this one. Hey. Today, everybody go know say Oga Emeka he can't work today.
Ijele wine is here, oh.
No be Ijele wine dey here so. Ijele wine. Ijele special.
Who dey call me? Na me na Oga Emeka. Hey, abeg, I no wan fight oh.
Abeg, why here? Make they come here now. Can't declare everywhere now. Hey.
Anything wey concern credit, I no dey oh.
As I dey here so, my body dey smell money. Na money, see na 1, 2, 3.
Oh yeah, wait, no wahala. How much one you want? Wetin you really want?
I say make you package as you dey package her before. Yeah?
How much one you want? Wetin you really want?
Everything. Gather around together. You know how to like am now.
Enjoy today.
I dey tell you.
E be like say you win lottery today.
I say today be like my birthday. I wan deliver everybody today. Discharge them, give them fish, give them wine everywhere. Aye. You take. Go buy water for me.
Oga, no more pure water, see the bill.
You want me malaria, hold me. You don't see me the cheap water. Come for your big guys. Water me everywhere. Pull you understand? Oh, pure water kill you.
I don't know the bank where you.
Go club, go enjoy myself. Flares, my body go change.
Father, you said you'd like for us to talk.
Yes. I want us to talk as men. And I would like to have your cooperation. Good. Son, the throne of our fathers is about to leave our lineage. I do not want the labor of our forefathers to keep the throne in this family to go in vain. I do not want that to be terminated in my lifetime.
Why would the throne leave our lineage, Father?
Your irrational and unruly behavior may cost us the throne.
What have I done? How do you mean?
All the members of my cabinet actually think you are mad. No insane person will ever be king in Umu Ikenga kingdom.
You are my father. You know that I'm not mad. I'm just unhappy, Father. You have a son who does not pretend. I cannot pretend to be happy when I am not happy.
Then tell me, son, what can I do to make you happy? And you will have it. Just say it and it will be done.
I don't know. I have been asking myself some questions. I don't know what can make me happy. But I just find myself depressed.
You leave me with no option than to make it open. I will make it an open contest. And that contest will have a big prize attached to it. Do we have a deal?
Oh well, Father, this is all so sudden. If you allow me some time to think it through, I would let you know what I think at the end of today.
Son, do not let me down.
Some people say I'm under a spell. What do you say yourself? 'Cause some people say I'm under a spell. But tell me what you think, and tell me what you say. 'Cause all I want is my happiness. For me, all I want is happiness. Someone to love. Just give me love. Just give me love.
So good to have you back, my daughter Ozioma. Come here.
Father, I missed you so much.
I missed you too. Welcome back.
Thank you, Father.
Hola.
Father.
Ojoko, welcome back.
Thank you, Your Majesty. Father, where is my brother, Princess?
Oh, well. All right.
Brother.
How are you?
I feel better.
I'm happy.
I'm happy to. Brother, thank you.
That's fine. Welcome back home.
Thank you so much.
Well, now that we're all here, Father, I have something to tell you.
Oh, I'm all ears.
Yeah, it's about the discussion that you and I had in private. I have decided to cooperate since I want to be happy as well.
What are we talking about? Good to hear it.
That's my son.
Thank you. Love you, Mom.
Thank you.
Welcome back. Welcome to you too.
Let's go. Father, I'm so happy for you.
Let's
go.
Cause all I want is my happiness. For me, all I want is happiness. Someone to love.
Many council. I want to use this opportunity to extend my appreciation. Thank you so much for the role that each of you played in ensuring that our late Ezemo was laid to rest peacefully. My prayer is that what you have done for one, another will do for you. Again, I also want to inform you that I discovered that my son, Princess Enwa, is actually of sound mind. He's not mad or insane as everyone had thought, including myself. Yes.
So, Your Majesty, what is then actually his problem?
Because, Your Majesty, he behaved a bit strange and irrational.
Well, it will shock you to know that my son Ezenwa is not just happy. That's all. And I want him to be happy. Every father wants his son to be happy. I want my son to be happy.
Well, that's okay. But how do you intend to make him happy?
Well, I is Amasi. Okulora Nkizizi. I have decided to organize a contest to find that man or that woman who will make my son happy. And if such a person emerges, I will certainly give the person 1/3 of my vast wealth.
1/3?
Yes. As long as the person makes my son. Now, as far as I'm concerned, the contest for that happiness begins now.
This is great, but what are the criteria for the contest? I mean, tell us.
Well, the contest is open to everyone. Male, female, old, young. whoever it is that is able to make my son happy, the person will be the winner of the contest.
Your Majesty, then there should be a duration for this. What is the duration?
There is no duration. The first person who is able to make my son, Princess Enwa, happy will be declared the winner of the contest. Hey. I have spoken. And so shall it. Let the contest begin. So, what I am saying now is that you will tell the town crier to go into the kingdom and spread that information. Anybody who makes my son happy wins 1/3 of my vast wealth.
Hey.
Baje baje.
How are you girls? Please, what do you think about the king's pronouncement?
My dear, I was even surprised the king made such pronouncements. I was so surprised.
The king loves the prince and wants him to be happy. But I don't know why the gods allowed such a problem to befall the son of a good and caring man.
Well, as for me, I'm happy that we all are partaking in this contest.
Hey, what makes you think that you can make the prince happy?
Please let me ask her.
Just take a look at my shape. Huh? Just look at me. Just check it out now. Hey. I have everything. Once the prince set his eyes on me, he will succumb to me. With a good attire and makeup, I will definitely win the prince's heart.
Come a shagon. Hey! Which shape are you referring to?
The shape now, of course.
My dear, you are shapeless.
I don't blame you.
So let me tell you, I don't see anything around you that will entice the prince or even make him fall for you.
Tell her.
Hey!
Yeah. My dear, I will show you.
You will show who?
You will see it.
Okay.
Just keep dreaming.
Hey, wait. Let me tell you, don't go there and disgrace yourself in the contest, You better stay back and do what you know how to do best.
Oh, Diego.
So you have the full chance, the strength to advise her.
Before Uncle.
Continue. And for you, keep dreaming.
Excuse me.
Continue dreaming.
You guys.
Hey! This is a surprise. Hey! Let me go and continue what
shall see.
Mama.
I was even coming to get you.
Mama. What for? But I told you I was going to get my palm wine.
My son, we now have an opportunity that is going to better our life. That is even better than you selling this palm wine, Pico.
Mama, what opportunity could be better than me selling my palm wine?
What am I doing? I'm dancing, no. I am dancing. So you didn't hear the town crier today? He was spreading the good news all over the town about the king's contest. I
don't understand, Mama. What do you mean by the king's contest?
The king promised that anyone who can make the prince, as in Prince Ezenwa, happy, smile, that he is going to give that person 1/3 of his wealth.
1/3 of his wealth? But is the prince unhappy?
No, Amarokwam. That was what I heard.
What could make such a young, handsome man like Princess Enwa, born with golden spoon in his mouth, unhappy?
That is what the king wants the contestants to find out. And stop complaining now. Stop all this your long story.
Mama, look at me now. Do I really fit into this? I mean, do I look like a clown? Can I make someone happy like the way you're saying is?
You can make me your mother happy. You always make me happy. You always gist me, make me laugh all the time. So in so doing, you can also make the prince happy. See, let me tell you, just do something. Figure out something. In fact, if you don't even know what to say, think of the wealth. Think of what it's going to do for us. How it's going to better our lives, Pico.
I've heard you, Mama. let's go back to the house. I'll figure out something.
Okay.
One, there's something I want to discuss with you, if you don't mind.
What is it?
We have served as palace guard for many years. I think this contest is an opportunity for us to make words.
Make words? It is not as easy as you take it to. It is not as easy as you think.
What are you saying? With our experience as palace guard, we can guess what the prince likes and what he dislikes. See, let us team up. Let us team up and take out what will make Prince Ezenwa happy.
You have a point, actually. You have a point. I am not in support. I'm not going to partake in the contest. I'm not interested. Sorry. You can go ahead and do it. I'm not interested.
I never knew I was talking to the wrong person.
Sorry, I want to make wealth.
Egejuru, my dear wife.
I am coming. Let me finish what I'm doing.
Please come.
I'm coming, oh.
Egejuru, I told you to plug this pawpaw so that we use it for lunch.
You said so, but I said let me finish what I'm doing inside.
Oh, come on!
My son.
Mommy.
It gladdened my heart. Each time you hear from us and reach to the village immediately.
Mommy.
You're welcome, my son.
Oh, come on!
Papa.
You're welcome.
How is the city?
The city is fine.
So how was your journey today?
We bless God. We bless God. Papa, what you told me over the phone, is it true? My son, it's very, very true. Whosoever wins it, it's like jackpot. Then I have won the prize.
I have you won it without contesting.
I don't understand.
You have won it.
How?
Papa, did you forget? Prince Ezenwa used to be my secondary school friend. I know exactly what will make him happy.
That's true.
Yes, it is true.
Hey.
I forgot. So,
let me rush immediately to the palace and see him so that we can continue from where we stop.
Wait, my son. Yes. Are you serious about what you are saying?
You will hear the score. You will hear the score.
Johnny,
Hey.
let me go with you so that I will not only hear the score, I will see the
yes,
score.
follow him.
Papa, don't worry. Just relax yourself. Yeah. Just sit down. Just begin to jollificate. Yeah. Begin to enjoy. Oh. Your son has won the prize.
Bam,
you go
bam.
hear the score.
Hey.
You go hear the score, Papa.
Good luck, my son. Good luck. Hurry, my son.
I want to hear the score and I want to receive the score. Go and make it.
Make us proud.
Make us proud.
My father like son.
Yes.
I am so proud of my son.
Bye. Make it.
Joy have roll away from our kingdom. Joy have roll away from our kingdom. The king is confused. Our queen is confused. Princess are confused.
Hello. Yeah. Yes. Come closer.
Cause joy have roll away.
How many of you here knows me?
I think I know you, sir. You are Johnny, the son of Onowu.
Is that all you know about me?
No, sir. You are Johnny Money.
You can say that again. Yes. Johnny Money. No, don't worry. There's plenty. There's plenty more. It will get to you. It will get to you.
Oh, thank you very much, sir. Thank you. God bless you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Well, I'm here for the contest.
Wow.
Yes. I have what it takes to make the prince happy. Now, someone should go in and inform him that I am here.
Let me go and inform him, sir.
I never knew you would consent to that contest.
Me too. I thought he would see it as a joke.
Well, thanks a lot for your concerns and care. But you see, I have to help the process. I have to do everything within my power to ensure that happiness returns to my life. Not just my life, but, you know, to the entire palace. I just want things to go back to the way they should be, really.
So nice of you.
Greetings, my prince and my princesses.
Yes.
My prince, someone is here to see you.
Thank you.
I think it has to do with the contest.
Let the contest begin then.
Brother, I hope you don't mind. Let's go with you.
No, not at all. I don't mind. You can come.
Yes!
Greetings to the entire royal household. Most especially to you, my paddy and childhood friend, Prince Ezenwa. My prince, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine. My prince, I heard you are not happy, but I'm here to spice up your day.
I see.
Yes. I know your love for good things. Yes.
What are these?
They are the latest automobile on the continent. Choose anyone and I will get it for you. Choose anyone, then I'll get it for you.
You're spoiling my day, young man.
How?
You're making matters worse. I expect you to know better. Considering my status as royalty and my father's vast wealth, you should know that gadgets and automobile are the least of my worries.
Okay then, my prince. What exactly do you need in order to be happy?
Guards!
My prince, my prince.
Show this young man the way out. Greetings, my prince. Greetings, my princesses. Members of the King's Cabinet present, I salute you. I am here for the contest to make you happy. With me here are two wonderful comedians. This is Man Must Work, and this is the Chinese man.
Wow.
We call him the Laugh Master.
Chin
Chin Chong.
Why is it?
They are going to entertain you one after the other. Man Must Work. Over to you.
My prince, I greet you.
My princesses, I agree to now. My elders, I agree to now. Like he call my name before, my name na man must work. But me, I know they laugh. That be the problem. This man here na my brother. I don't spend money for it.
Aye.
I don't go China. Don't go India. Don't go many places. They reject them only China. Take them.
Yes, I think.
And I know the story. So you don't acquire knowledge for China. Name menu. Name na Chin Cloud, Chin Chom. All these things. What you mean na laugh master. So laugh master. You know what the carriers come here.
Princess ni hao ma.
Prince, say make I ask you, how are you? So what you go reply am na sense.
I'm fine.
Sama no be this.
Ba ya compagnie la. See, don't buy that case
now you want the interpreter. I go interpreter the way I tell you. Why you shout for me? Prince, say me you call am since
like you like.
I better talk, I know.
My second show ma da won dong xin ya. Prince yang company ya do la. Ban jin yu wa xi. Jin gu ni ala ba jin gang go bu chen wu la. Airport jin chang ban yang la.
How you know this one?
Ban xin yang ah. Ban yang xiang ban de gu wa dan ji ya. Maya.
So you want my
Maya. Maya sẽ kêu con Maya cho cô ta la. Ni jin do vo la, nan cho wa la. Ya do li ya.
Even myself no dey happy, so I go tell am. Prince, you say I tell you, say me you know they do the way they do. How you go dey come China? You carry out the whole load the way they Nigeria enter airport as if you dey run from your country. You even carry goat. If you away, man. No dey do this thing. Why you dey touch?
You should buy you out of money. I can young jump on young dong ah. Prince ya cho wa da kai yo wa ding jin cho wa. Ni ji ya. Princess ya cho wa tai yang la. Bai xiu ah. Princess yang cho wa.
Which of the princess?
Ni xiu ba kai ni dong zhong na. Mai tai la. Ma la.
Princess, say make I tell you, say like you you never marry. But if you no still agree, say all these medians, if you just do am, one minute sef.
Bây giờ mấy cái giống chúng ta bố đánh
Yeah, who wan share am?
Bổng xin yang cái la.
No, that one no work. Say if na only one median, make you give am.
Tôi đây cái phần yang cái yang quan xin yang la. Bố trái yang是比感动等等呀。穷吧。
No, they talk this, no, they do this thing. Where you going to play? Why you dey put me for trouble now?
买信用版的呀，等银行啊，白有收啊，白有收啊。
Prince, say if you come China, maybe let them know. Say in get house now to go. They there. Then you know they do as they do. What's the fun?
I don't know what I get to combine that teacher and find it.
Never start with the laugh. Why you do like this?
La, they are so funny, young. Prince,
no, they do this thing now.
Mala, it's okay. It's okay.
La, you better come on.
It's okay.
We never do it till they carry us come now. Which one be it's okay now?
My brain. Your Highness. I hope these two wonderful creatures must have been able to make you happy.
How?
Ebuka, I'll have you know that there is a difference between laughter and inner happiness, which is what I seek. Your approach to my happiness with these two clowns is a mess. Tell them to leave this place at once. Guards, show these men out.
Why both of them?
Prince, I say, you should buy like don't buy.
Why you do like this? That's the do as if now we problem. Who they touch me? No, they touch me. That
go now. They go.
Maya, can be a song la. Jing la.
Because I prepare come and you know they touch me like this.
That's two of them.
Good day, Mama. Good day, Ebuka.
Good day.
I'm so sorry. Please, I'm so sorry I couldn't make it to the palace to witness the event. My father fell sick.
Good day kill you there. Liar. You can lie? Now, please, let's go to here. Okay, you don't want to go. Porono, get what I see now.
Ebuka, you don't believe me. You don't believe my father is sick. I mean, how do you expect me to leave him in that state? Okay, I had to rush and come see you, hopefully in the palace, because he slept off.
Okay, I believe you.
Thank you. Thank you. So tell me, how did it go?
It didn't go well. It didn't go well, not at all.
How? What happened? Those comedians you hired, didn't they perform?
Those clowns. They did. They performed. But the prince wasn't impressed at all. I am not in a good mood right now. I need to go home. I will see you next time, okay?
Son, I was surprised that the high performance of all these comedians, you were never happy.
Well, that is because jesting and cracking jokes has nothing to do with happiness.
If you continue like this, no one will be able to make you happy in this kingdom.
Well, I'll never say never, Mother. The contest is still on, so we'll see.
Maybe at the end you will be happy.
Hopefully.
Lunch is ready, my dear. Let's go to the dining.
After you, Mother.
It's okay.
Father, no one has been able to make Princess Zenwa happy in this contest. Are you not perturbed?
Well, I am perturbed, my daughter, very much so.
Father, is there anything we can do to help him?
Well, all we can do is to be patient with him.
Patience? Father, I can't just wait to see him happy like he used to be. Eh?
I hope he'll get back to that. I really hope so.
I can see you two are having a tete-a-tete. Is this something I should know about? Your Highness?
You love gossip. Oh.
If you say so.
I was just talking with my daughter. Father and daughter.
And I'm the mother.
My prince, what is the problem? Tell me what
See, I'm almost falling down. What is it now? Why do you want to kill yourself because of your inability to make the prince happy? Kill her.
Mama, you talked me into giving the contest a trial. And now look at me. I failed. I couldn't even make the prince happy. Just ordinary happiness.
It's not the end of the world now. Eh? It's not the end of the world.
Mama, have you forgotten that I paid those two boys with all my savings? I even borrowed money just to make sure I make this. Oh my God, Papa. I'm going to kill myself, Mama. What am I going to do now? Eh?
You can make the money again. You made those money. Don't kill yourself because of this.
Mama, I'll kill myself.
It's okay. Let's go.
I'll kill myself,
You
Mama.
will not kill yourself. What is wrong with you?
Oh, what am I going to do now?
It's okay.
What am I going to do, Mama?
Stop crying.
Greetings, members of the King's Cabinet. My handsome prince and princesses. I greet you all.
I greet you.
Thank you. I am not here because of the king's word, but I'm here because of the prince. To put a smile on his face. Once again, my prince, I greet you.
I greet you too.
You see, I came back because of this contest. Yes. And as you can see, I am prepared. These are my buildings in Abuja. I will show it to you. Just take a good look at it. Yes. These buildings are in choice areas of Abuja. They are well built and furnished to taste. My prince, being the owner of this mansion will make you a happy man. I have the keys here with me, so you can decide to choose any of them and it becomes yours and it will make you happy. Thank you.
Young man, please, remain standing before you sit. Quickly. Is that all you have to offer? Is that all you came with? I'm royalty. And that means that I have everything. If true happiness was about material things, we won't be having this contest, because I have everything. I am not fazed by the buildings, the cars, the gadgets, because I have them. If that is all you have to offer, young man, I'll ask that you leave.
Prince, are you asking me to leave your palace?
Yes, I am asking you to leave.
It's okay then. I will leave.
If you mere okwu ọ na-agbakasị ya arụ. If you mere okwu ọ na-agbaka ya isi. If you mere okwu.
Patrick, I understand your feeling. Please, calm down. I beg of you, and take it easy. You did well, and deserve to win. Please.
You are telling me to calm down. Eh? Did you see the insult that idiot that I called himself the prince gave to me at the palace?
Honestly, I don't know what is wrong with that boy. I am sure that the prince is mad. But from what I'm seeing, this contest will not produce anything.
Yes, so the prince is mad, and a madman can never sit on that throne. Never!
Yes, never. It has never happened before, and will never happen now. At all.
Iche, I am not in a good mood right now. I am not in a good mood. I have to leave now. Let me just go. I will see you later. Just go down. Let me go. Just go down. I'm not in the good.
Calm down. Calm down and take it easy. We see them.
Can imagine me. Ezego one. Me.
My prince. Every man likes good food. Delicious and good meals nourish the body and keeps the spirit aglow. My prince, I prepared a special meal for you. I invite you to come and eat and be happy.
Man shall not leave my bread alone. I am not interested in your meal. Leave my presence now. Leave my presence now. Is that the last for the day? Or we'll have more clowns coming through?
Oh, she's the last person.
Good.
Ini, don't feel bad. You did your best.
Yes, you did. See, life is all about taking risks. Some works for you, while some don't.
Exactly. She's right.
See, you have to move on with your life. You just have to.
Well, my fellow maidens, I really thank you for your kind words and encouragement. I really appreciate.
Oh, you're welcome. So, go freshen up so you can report to your duty post.
Yes.
We miss you already, you know.
Thanks again for your support.
And remember, pretend as though nothing happened. Sis, I have an idea I want to share with you.
Go ahead, sis. I'm listening.
I think we should also embark on this contest.
Why? Are you serious about this?
Yes, very serious. No one knows our brother better than both of us. And we stand a better chance to make him happy.
Don't you think people wouldn't like this idea? Especially mom and dad?
Sis, I don't care whatever people think. As for mom and dad, they should also be happy that both of us cares about our brother's happiness.
That's a very good idea. Oh my God, how did you come up with that?
So, are you supporting me on this?
Sure, I am with you, baby girl.
Oh, thank you, sis. Let's do it together.
That's the spirit, baby girl. All for one.
One for all.
Our queen is confused. Princess are confused. Our prince is confused. 'Cause joy have run away.
Girls, I never knew the prince would reject one man's delicious delicacies.
We warned her, but she wouldn't listen.
Exactly. And now she has ended up being disgraced.
I don't think it was nice to condemn her efforts. There's no harm in trial.
There's no harm in trial. Were you not there when we warned her? I personally warned that girl. This is the result of it.
When she was there, showcasing her body, that the prince was choose me. We warned her. So what happened? That she must win the prince's heart. What later happened?
You see, it wasn't right.
Wait, oh. Don't tell me you're pitting for her. Eh? My dear, concentrate on your work.
Continue your work.
Our prince is confused. 'Cause joy have run away.
My father's sickness is getting worse. I've come to see if you can give me any money so I can take care of him.
Hi. Mommy. Ada, I'm sorry. There is no money on me. You see, I used up all my savings. I even borrowed money for the contest.
Emka, how could you have used all your life savings for the contest?
Hey. Ada, you see, my mother talked me into this. I now regret. Please.
Emka, please don't tell me this now. Go and search the house now. I under the bed or something. When you borrow from your brother or your friends. Besides, if you have this Pamwanta union, go and borrow from them now. I need money, Emka.
I even borrowed money from the Palm Tapas Union. So that is why I am confused. I don't even know where I can lay my hands on money right now.
Ebuka, I have never asked you for anything. Yes, I have never asked you for any money before. I only need this money to save my father, but you disappoint me. You disappoint me. Ebuka, you disappoint me. My father is dying.
Your father will...
My father is dying. My father is not dying. My father is dying. I have to go and look for money somewhere. My father will not die. He's only child. My father will not die.
Ada, please wait now.
Obinna, why can't you leave me alone? Why are you disturbing my peace? What part of I do not want you, don't you understand?
Okay, Ada. I've heard you asking Ebuka for money to take your father to the hospital for treatment. I can afford to give you any amount you want.
How do you mean?
Ada, how much do you want?
It's a big money. I don't know if you can afford it.
How much?
30,000.
Here. This is 40,000. I'll get more money in the evening. Please, take your father to the hospital and get him treated.
Thank you so much.
You know I love you. This is just the necessary aspect of the whole thing. By the time we go to the primary aspect of it, those who know you won't recognize you again.
Thank you. Thank you so much. Let me quickly rush my father to the hospital. Thank you.
Ijego.
Ijele.
I think I find your boy since where you dey now?
I did not come today now. I sent a message. He not there around anything.
He dey owe me. It's after market. Make I come collect my money.
I be say you go come tomorrow because as you see say you no dey like this. Eh?
No worry now. Tomorrow.
Ijele. Shoe. You see this? See the Lexus, see the number there. Lexus 300. It just arrived from China. On my own.
Oh, you don't buy car?
Yes, now. You know they say I'm very sharp.
Oh, congrats now.
See, Ijele, hurry, where you dey go? Come now. You see,
see, I don't understand. See, today they very stressful.
I understand.
I know they get myself. I want to go arrange my fish and my
I just want to make we be friends. Make we be friends. Now, what are they will find with that now?
We be enemy before. I don't understand where this one they come from.
You no go understand because see, if we be friends, you see that front seat. You go to sit down there. Me, I did the driver's side. Anywhere go the good now.
And my bicycle they very okay for me.
Hey, relax.
I don't get problem. I don't get this kind of time.
Ijele, come now. Now me they talk. See, you see all this big size like this. I go package and wait for you like this. See all this place like this.
You touch my yash. You just touch me. You crazy. If you try this again, this one is small. I go beat you up. The Chris.
Ijele no send person, chai. As she there, she like him. Inugo, she be hustler. She dey go her way. She know they find trouble. Cha cha.
You don't walk. What is it for you? Come on. Oh no. That is how it happened. The prince is not in his right sense.
Ichie, honestly, I am tired of this issue. I don't know why the gods should allow such evil to befall our king.
Oh no. Don't forget, you are the Onowu of this kingdom. I know that. And we cannot sit down and watch a she-goat deliver a tita. The prince has gone mad.
Ichie, then, what do you suggest we should do?
No, you have come. Oh no. Let us make her while the sun shines. Let us start now to search for the next heir apparent. Because our king is not getting any younger.
Ichie, it's all right, you have spoken well. But I think it will be better to deliberate on this when the other members of the king's cabinet are present.
Oh no, you are very right. That is exactly what we are going to do. Let's keep it there. But anyhow, I beg to take my leave.
I will send for the meeting of the cabinet here in my house.
Okay.
We'll discuss it.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.
Some people say I'm under respect. What do you say yourself? 'Cause some people say I'm under respect. But tell me what you think, and tell me what you say. 'Cause all I want is my happiness.
DJ, good day, sir. Thank you, Patrick. So it's you, eh? This wasn't the car you came with to the palace. What happened to the other one?
Nothing, Ichie. Ichie, you know I have a lot of cars. I can decide to drive anyone I want to drive. You understand? Well, I came to look for you in your house. Yes, they told me that you went to the Onowu's house. Yeah.
You are right.
So I decided to come and look for you.
Look for me? So I hope there's no problem.
We all know that the prince is sick upstairs. And he can never be the heir apparent to that throne.
Patrick, that is my reason of going to see Onowu. Of course, we agreed that the matter will be deliberated by the Council of Elders. So,
well, that is good. I want you to talk to the elders. Tell them that by next week, that I will give each of them a flashy car.
A gift of flashy car?
Direct.
To each of us? Hey!
Money is not my problem, Ichie. Money is not my problem, but how to spend it.
I can see.
Ichie, in addition to that, tell them that I will give them 2 million naira each just for fuel.
2 million naira? Wow! This is fantastic.
Just for fuel.
And wonderful.
Just hop in the car. Let me go and spoil you later.
So the elders will now become big and rich. Oh,
for real. Ichie, enter the car. Let me go and spoil you later.
I cannot wait.
Very well done. You have done very well. I like our culture. I love our tradition. This is indeed a very beautiful showcase. However, one of you have caught my eyes. And that will be you. Come forth.